Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the Badger Basket Modern Baby Changing Table, a perfect blend of elegance and functionality for your nursery. This sleek, angular design not only adds a touch of sophistication but also provides a practical space for all your diaper changing needs. With ample storage solutions, it features a large laundry hamper and 3 storage drawers, ideal for organizing diapers, wipes, and blankets, keeping everything within easy reach. The versatile and customizable storage baskets can be removed, used throughout the house, or even replaced with a diaper genie for added convenience. Safety is a top priority, and this changing table includes safety rails, a comfortable foam changing pad, and an adjustable safety belt to ensure your little one's security during changes. Crafted from durable multi-layer wood and MDF with mindful finishes, this table is sturdy, stable, and free from harmful substances, making it a safe choice for your baby. Transform your nursery into a stylish and organized haven with the Badger Basket Modern Baby Changing Table, where elegance meets practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.